got a snake? Where are you taking it? Don't fall on it. Oh, got a snake? Yeah? You riding that snake? Yeah? That's a long snake you got. Where you get that snake at? Don't throw him down the stairs. Take him in your room. You riding a snake? Yeah. Uh-oh. You walking him or is he walking you? Where are you going now? Okay. You just walking with that old snake? You just walking with that old snake? Snake! Is that big snake? Did Auntie Erin get you that snake at the Sea Zoo? Oh, uh-oh. Have a stop and get a drink.